Hello guys, welcome to Play Funny Toy channel. Oh guys, look, we have so many toys and what are they? Look at this. What is this? You know what is this? And how about this one? But if you want to know, we have to clean it up because now they are very dirty. So let's go to clean it up together and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, we got 13 toys. So let's go to clean it up together. Let's go guys. Let's go to clean this toy. So wait. Check this one. Ooh. Okay. So which one we gonna take first? Okay, I choose this one. Clean it up. Wow. One more. Oh. No, what dinosaur is this? Oh, wow. You guys know what this is. One more. Dun. Oh, is it elephant? Yeah. Hey. One more. Oh, this one's so big. Check it out. Oh, wow. Wow, nice dinosaur. Okay, this one. Wow, this one have a big wing. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, wee! Oh, this one also big. Dun. Oh, now you know what dinosaur is this? Okay. One more dinosaur. Okay, this one. Oh, this one. Is it dinosaur? Let's check it out. Oh, this one, not dinosaur, but let's check it. Out. Okay, this one. Is it also dinosaur? Okay. What is this animal? Okay. I choose this one. Ooh, this one T-Rex, red T-Rex. And then okay, bye bye. One more. Oh, why this one have so long neck? Okay. Wow, he have so long neck. Okay. Last one. Surprise! Ooh, this one have color green. Okay, last one. So our toy today has so many. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.